cheap to expensive. Things we think people either should buy for themselves or buy for others this holiday season. More specifically, makers, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good maker gift giving guide for makers.
What do you say we start out with $20 and under?
Oh, we're going to do categories. Okay, I had a theme that I wanted to explore.
Oh, okay.
Please do a theme. By all means, I'm here for a theme.
One thing I think that we all share, and a lot of makers share, is that they like a nice, organized tool set. You know what I mean? Like keeping your tools in like the right place and keeping them all kind of neatly organized is a bit of a passion for me, and I feel like a lot of other makers too.
Yes.
So I've been searching out, I've been doing a lot of research lately on different, what do you call them? Like toolbox systems?
Yes.
Organization
like
systems?
the Milwaukee Packout, I think the DeWalt Tough system. So I was kind of thinking like, if you have a maker in your life, there's those systems are like endlessly expandable. Yeah. So if you feel like spending a lot of money, you go ahead and get them like the whole Packout system. But if you feel like spending $20, get the like slide-on tumbler holder that goes on the outside of the case.
Zach's over here giving out Packout. I want to be on his Christmas list.
Yeah, no kidding. He got that Packout money.
It is funny how there's like different tiers to them. The Packout's definitely one of the more expensive ones.
Yeah. I made the mistake of buying not really a mistake. It served me well for a few years. When I first started getting into it, I went to Harbor Freight. And bought one of those little fold, the lid pops off of it. It's got the little bins, little dividers that put screws and stuff in it. Mm-hmm. The problem with the cheap ones is the little divider things in them always move. So then screws work themselves underneath all the dividers, and you can't close the lid, or you got to close the lid and it cracks the lid and stuff like that.
Or you drop it and it cracks.
Had that happen so many times.
You don't even have to drop it that far. Yeah, those cheap ones are cheap.
You know what? Yeah. I'm going to throw this one out there. I don't carry around, I don't have like leftover screws and stuff like that. Like I do in the shop, but in my toolbox and stuff like that, like I have drawers for it in the shop, but in my toolbox, no. Because it always gets jumbled up. They always end up all over the place. I've never found a system that's worth actually carrying screws and fasteners around with me.